George here from the Sole Supplier, back in the building after all these years. I have actually done a few other videos, but it's good to be back. I'm here with my all-time favorite shoe, the Nike Air Force 1, and this is the React edition. And I'm gonna take you through a few elements on this. Elements, you see what I did there? React elements. It's not that, it's the Air Force 1 React. And I'm gonna take you through a few elements as to why this is a powerful shoe and why it's one that you need on your feet. So I buy nearly every Air Force 1 going, that's the first point. It's a great fit on the foot, probably go half a size down. But what I like most about this is this enlarged swoosh on the sidewall. And I really love the mesh. Now I've seen pictures of a toe box that also feature mesh. So I'm hoping that that's what they bring out because they don't crease as easily. Now, D/M/S on the back, I'm still not quite sure what this means. And it also says Nike React here. So what I'm gonna tell you right now is these are the comfiest Air Forces that you're ever gonna get. They're a Nike React sole. People say that the Nike React technology is probably some of the comfiest around. And let me just show you something. Okay, this is this inner sole. It's a React inner sole, and this is about 2 inches, 2 whole inches. So if you're 5'9", you automatically become 5'11". That's golden. If you're out on a date, you're 5'11" now. How tall are you? I'm 5'11". It's gonna be golden, that. You're gonna be doing a lot better. Anyway, let me just put this back. This comes in 3 colorways. This is the second best one. There's a triple white one that everyone's gonna wanna wear for summer. It's gonna look banging with shorts. It's gonna look great with some tapered tracksuit bottoms. It's gonna look sick with some pin-rolled jeans. And this is the second best one. It's got some color on it. It's got a nice it's got a nice edging around the heel counter here. And it's pretty minimal as well. It's out Friday. I don't know the date, but that's Friday this week. So if you want to cop this, the Nike Air Force 1 React D/M/D/MS/X, then you can cop it Friday, 8 a.m. Friday the 17th of January. I would use the Sole Supply app and website as well because we offer all of the latest pricing and availability. Free of charge, it's nothing. You can also get notifications. It's easy to cop, easy. Stay locked, cop this because you know that it's gonna fly off the shelves like all Air Forces have done recently. I love you and leave you. Goodbye.